When you create a design or a layout that you may want to use multiple times and just change maybe the wording or an image, you may want to create a template file for that layout. And creating a template file reduces the risk or eliminates the risk of you accidentally overwriting a file that you've already created that you did not want to change. InDesign allows you to very easily create a custom template for your design. The first thing we need to do is create a design or layout, which I already have here. I've saved it, and you'll notice that it has a name of snowfun.indd, indicating that it is an InDesign document. To turn this document into a template, the first thing we want to do is go up to File, go down to Save As, click on it. The Save As file dialog box will appear, and you'll notice that in Save As, the file extension is INDD. Go down to Format and click on the drop-down button here and select InDesign CS4 template. Notice when I change the format to InDesign CS4 template, the file extension here in the Save As box here changes from INDD to INDT, indicating that it is now a template file. So the next thing I want to do is give it a more generic name. So I'll call it season.indt. And make sure you know where you are saving the file. And once you indicate where you want to save the template file, go down to Save. You'll notice now that our file name is season.indt. So I'm going to close this file out, and next what I'm going to do is open up the template. So I'll go up to File, click on it, and click on Open. When the Open File dialog box appears, find where you've saved your INDT file, which in this case is right here, called season.indt. I'll click on it and click Open. And now you'll see that InDesign opens up our template file, and you'll notice that the file name is untitled-2. So this is my template, and I can make any changes that I want without the fear of overwriting a file that I've already created. So in this case, I'll change winter to snow. And then I'll go up to File and select Save. And even though I click Save, the Save As dialog box appears. This is indicating that it is the first time I'm saving this type of file. So I'll call this Snow Fun 1. And notice that the file extension is INDD. I'll click Save, and now you'll see that my template has now turned into an InDesign document file.